RCAT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether RCAT stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Right, a RCAT, it's just like a stock for me that it's in this bullish market and I'm looking to take it higher. Now context, I mean, this is how it looked like from my previous video and this is when the video was made. I obviously have the video proof, so, you know, this is like when the video was made. This was on 18th of December and now we're 1076. At the time it was 826. Unfortunately, I didn't get my rules met, which is just sometimes it's going to happen and it is what it is. I mean, more times than not it's going to happen and there's nothing I can do about it, right? So that being said, I mean, that's how RCAT looks like for me. It is not financial advice. I'm still looking to take things higher, and the only way that I would love to get involved is if the price pulls down deeper and then gives me a little break from here on. Simple as that. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the photos link in the description. It's a free newsletter.